Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to create an Uber Eats driver account. First of all, open up the Uber application on your phone. Once you get into its app, tap on the account icon from the bottom right corner. From your account settings, tap on the Earn by Driving or Delivering option from here. To set up your driver account, you need to collect your email address and password. Now, you have to enter your email address. After entering your email address, click on Continue. Uber Eats will likely require you to submit certain documents for verification. This may include a copy of your driver's license, vehicle registration, insurance, and possibly a background check. If you're using a vehicle for deliveries, you will need to provide details about your vehicle, including its make, model, and year. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.